Forms Omnisend extension tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to add a new contact with a subscribed status to your Omnisend account. To get started, you want to go ahead and add your Likeable Forms license key, and you'll also need to add your Omnisend API key. If you don't have your API key yet, be sure to check out our documentation on how to obtain one. And then if this is the first time, you'll want to hit Verify License Key. So if everything's validated, let's go ahead and move on into our extension settings. So to get started, we'll need to start building out the contact. So we'll need their email address, first name, last name, and mobile number. Since our form doesn't have any fields in it, let's go ahead and add a few. So we're going to need the email address. We'll need a first name and a last name. We'll like to use text fields for those. And then we'll also add a phone field. So let's go ahead and change out the text to first name, our field label. And last name, we'll change this out to last name. That way when we're mapping our data and our settings, we'll know exactly which field to add. So we'll use the email address field for the email address. We'll use the first name field for the first name, the last name field for the last name, and the phone field for the mobile number. Now here are a couple options here we need to go over. When we add the contact, we can also send them a welcome SMS, or we can not send them a welcome SMS. You can set these SMSs up inside of your Omnisend account. So we're going to select yes. Either way, we're going to add them as a contact with the subscribed status. So they will become a subscriber. And then the last step is send a welcome email. Just like the welcome SMS, you can set this up inside of your Omnisend account. Either way, we're going to add them as a contact with the subscribed status. So we're going to hit yes. And there you have it.